Let's welcome Senior Director of Product Management, Aaron DeYonker.
Is this on? Yeah. So you know it's a special day because I'm wearing a suit. And if I could do the moonwalk, I would, and really get this going here. So I want to start off by thanking everybody for coming. There are a lot of old friends here and a lot of new faces, and I'm excited to meet all the new ones. I especially want to send out an extra bit of gratitude to our user advisory board. We spent the day yesterday going over our priorities and sort of reflecting on the types of stuff that they've had a lot of influence on. And the main emphasis is on continued strength of the platform and our quality levels. But they've also helped influence what we're going to be doing from a roadmap perspective with respect to the application suite that Gary talked about earlier. So definitely want to thank them. They've been, I mean, as a product researcher and product manager, like I've told them yesterday, they're absolute gold mine of information for us, and they've really helped strengthen our plans and validated some of the decisions we're making. So thank you. So, like Gary said, we've got a bunch of new applications coming out, and the themes to those are clearly strengthening the platform, unlocking the data that's in the platform, and really extending our global reach worldwide so we can hit all the various markets out there and meet all the needs. So one of the key gaps that we've heard through the user advisory board and through talking with prospects is strengthening our register read validation, editing, and estimation. All right, so we're going to take the register read side of our VEE process and really bring it up to the same level of parity from a functional perspective as our interval-based VEE processes. And that means a lot of extensive validation methods, a lot of configurability, just like we have on the interval side, and using the interval data to come up with even better register read estimations. This really is the result of feedback with our customers, and with this addition to the platform, this is going to be the best VEE process out there on the market for sure globally. So that's a really exciting strengthening of the platform that we're excited to introduce in the 7.5 timeframe. Gary mentioned settlements before, and this again is extending our global reach, and it's for all worldwide distribution market, or all deregulated markets worldwide for wholesale distributors. This is really about aggregating all of the usage data up by the interval and then assigning it to the specific market participants, delivering that data to the market, handling all the exceptions that come back, and doing all the market communications. This is a huge win for us in Europe and for other markets, and this will be enabled by 7.5, and then it's an application that we'll be releasing soon after 7.5 releases. Prepayment, again, extending our global reach. This is a critical importance, especially for Britain. So what we've done here is we looked at the partner landscape and identified some key partners that we'll be announcing through the course of the conference here and going to market with them. The main features we want to release are delivering the usage information to the prepayment partners so they can manage the balance, and then handling all their requests for disconnects and reconnects. They'll manage all the logic around when it's okay to disconnect somebody and when they need to reconnect. They'll manage the actual financial transaction that happens, and we'll handle all the execution of the commands down to the meter. We'll also give partners the ability to text or email for low balances through our consumer engagement application, Energy Engage. And that'll just give an extra level of functionality out there for the consumers, and really helps make the prepayment model for energy pretty interesting and exciting. Another thing we wanted to look at investing in based on customer feedback with our utilities that we work with is around the customer service portal. We really wanted to turbo power the front line of communication, and we wanted to offer some flexibility to our customers. Some of them are not going out with a portal right away, but they are installing the smart meter, and the customer is still going to be getting their bill. So we wanted to offer some flexibility for maybe the call center to have insights into the energy data coming into the system so they could handle those bill requests or those high bill inquiries. It's meant to be intuitive data presentation. You'll see a lot of the design that's in Energy Engage carried over into the customer service tool. And it's meant to give some powerful insights and maybe some scripting about how to handle the calls as they're coming in. It's also meant to have flexible integration with your existing customer service tools. So it's not meant to replace them, but it's there to help strengthen them. So I'm going to give you a quick demo here. All right, so the main thing to do is, doing the customer lookup here. So I'll type in a very straightforward customer account. Meant to just give a very intuitive view of the snapshot of where the customer is in their bill cycle. Gives them a view of their usage data. There's a weather overlay here too, and this is all meant to help facilitate quick problem resolution for the customer themselves. Let's say Annabelle here called in with a high bill complaint for last bill period. So we'll just go back here and look at what happened. She's on a tiered plan, it seems. And there are two pieces of information that the customer service rep will have at their hand here. They can see that the bill period was a couple extra days than normal, which would be one reason that the bill is higher, and that there was a temperature spike here at the end of the month, which caused a lot of usage there. And these are the types of things that even if we don't have a customer portal released at the customer site, this will really help the customer service agents respond to any questions with the smart meter technology being installed. All right, so advanced analytics. This is sort of the highlight headline of the conference here, in my opinion. I'm super excited about it. This is the result of a lot of collaboration with our user advisory board.